Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use hyaluronic acid and vitamin C together, easy method. Begin with freshly cleansed, slightly damp skin to help hyaluronic acid bind moisture. Use a vitamin C serum first so it penetrates and neutralizes free radicals. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then pat on hyaluronic acid to seal hydration. Finish with moisturizer and sunscreen during the day to protect and maximize benefits for brighter, plumper skin. I recommend a simple timing strategy that anyone can follow. Put vitamin C on first because its smaller molecules can penetrate better, then pause briefly. After 1 to 2 minutes, apply hyaluronic acid to draw moisture into the skin and boost plumpness. Finish your routine with a moisturizer to seal everything in and sunscreen if it's daytime, so the active benefits last and your skin stays protected. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy skin routines. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you follow a skincare routine, and it's easy to carry to the sink or gym. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Match product strength to your skin so you get benefits without irritation. Start with a lower percent vitamin C if your skin is sensitive, and increase as tolerated. Pick a hyaluronic acid formula that suits your skin type. Lightweight serums for oily skin, thicker creams for dryness. Patch test new combinations and introduce them slowly, giving your skin time to adjust before adding more active products to the routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.